Yo, BTV.
Today we're gonna learn the helicopter. Are you ready? First of all, make sure that you have plenty space in front of your TV. Let me see. I have plenty space. Let's start. Now, from squat position, you're gonna put your left hand on the ground. And then, if you put your left hand on the ground, you're gonna put your right leg off to your right. Like this. Can you put your toes up? Oh la la. Don't keep your leg fully straight, otherwise it looks like mommy doing Pilates. Bend and put your toes up to the sky. Now, can you put this hand on your forehead, like if you try to see something far? Oh la la. Can you point to the camera? Oh la la. Now, bring this leg back and switch hands. Now, if you put your right arm here, your left leg needs to go that way. Toes up. Very good. Now, can you point to the camera? Can you put your hand here like if you observe and say fresh? Fresh. Very good. Now, bring it back. Awesome. Shall we do this 3 times? Ready, set, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Close your legs. Jump and open. Say fresh. Ooh la la. Shall we go to part 2? Let's go. Step 2. Hand on the floor. Kick to the side. Once your leg is off to the side, you're going to sweep this leg in front of you. And stop in front of your belly button. Say fresh. Oh la la. Now switch hands. Fresh. Let's try to the other side. Hand on the floor. If I put this hand, kick, and I'll say sweep. Sweep. Oh la la. Switch hands. Fresh. That's looking so cool. It's not even the helicopter. I can't wait to see you doing the helicopter. Let's do the next beat. Let's go. Here, kick to the side, sweep. Now, can you see this leg here? Now you're gonna use both hands to put over your leg, over. Once these legs are over, this leg here, you're gonna lock in front of this knee here, look, lock. Oh my goodness, shall we try again? Let's go. Kick, sweep, hands over, lock. Let's go to the other side. Kick, sweep, hands over, lock. Yes, you did it. Fresh, fresh. Now, part 3. Before we start, try this with me. Put your hands on the floor and do a little hop. Did you do it? Show me. Yes, you did it. Okay, keep this in mind, all right? Kick, sweep. Ooh. What was next? Yes, hands over, lock. Now, keep your hands here and you're gonna hop. Hop. When you hop, your legs pretty much end up like this. Shall we try again? Kick, sweep, hands over, lock, and hop. And guys, when you do those steps, try to say the words, because when you say the words, it helps you to memorize. Kick, sweep, hands over, lock, and hop. Sounds like a rap. Kick, sweep. Kick, sweep.
Yo, that's fresh.
You say? Huh? Tell me. You think it's a bit too hard. Don't worry, it's your first day learning this, silly goose. We have plenty time to practice. The more you do, the better it gets. Let's make things more smooth. Can you do this for me? Hands on the floor, and when you hop, you put one leg to the side.
Yeah!
Can you do it? Now let's try to the other side. Hop.
Yeah!
Very good. Now, keep this in mind, because look what we're gonna do. Kick, sweep, hands over, lock, and when you hop, you put one leg to the side.
Yeah!
And then you're ready to start all over again.
Vamos começar a nossa
Guys, I can't believe it. You were doing the helicopter, and the best part is you did it with me. Don't forget to subscribe because every week I'll be back here with videos like that or learning any cool move